So let's do this right, because this will be the one that we're going to put on top of the one down there already.
Not the hard part.
So we had two there. Right? Two?
Starting
So
it
this
after
one
it's
goes up
installed.
on that first. So
why don't we build the stack exactly like this on the trailer?
yeah.
So let's move these off.
Hello everybody, we're doing some milling with the 881 here. This is a great machine with a lot of power, and we've been milling up some really good big leaf maple here in British Columbia, and this saw can just mow through it. It's pretty amazing. Still a lot of work, but it was a lot of fun to do. And just check out this is just one board we're milling, and the grain in this thing is just amazing. It's a beautiful piece of wood. And the saw right now is set up to cut about 26 inches, and this one's probably, I'm guesstimating, about 20 inches. So it's kind of a medium-sized log here. So just check it out. Here we're just hooking up the winch to the backside, so then we can easier pull the mill down there and just kind of go through this nice and smooth setup. So just take a gander, and if you have any comments, just throw them in the comments down below. Much appreciated. So I'm just going to interject here just two things that you probably see. One is that we've got that boat winch attached to the mill, and that just helps pull it along, nice and gradual pull, so they get a nice smooth cut. And then also you see we'll put wedges in behind there, just some regular plastic wedges that you'd use for falling a tree. We just bang them in by hand, just keeps the wood up so it doesn't pinch the saw as bad. Also, if you notice on the mill as well, if you're looking at the screen there on the left-hand side, there's a little makeshift homemade oiler. I made it out of a water bottle and some leftover irrigation pipes, and I just have a little screw top on it, and then I open it up and just gives it extra oil. Just turning the camera around here so we can see the end cut come off the end. You'll watch it, and you can see where you have the winch hooked up to a board at the end between two posts just to give us our leverage, and you can see the wedges in there as well. So just in case you're wondering, the board is about 8.5 feet long, and we're cutting at that about 2 3/8 of an inch thick. So it's a pretty thick board, pretty heavy. Each board probably is 200-ish, 250 pounds approximately, give or take. And everything went well. Hope you enjoy. Cheers.
There we go.